out to eat. Let's get started.
All right, so the girls are gonna walk down and see what movies are playing. We're not going to the movies, but we have to wait like 15 minutes to be seated because it's kind of earlier in the day. It's like 3:30, and they are low on staff a little bit, I guess, today. So I'm just standing out here waiting. Mommy is not feeling well. She's not really sick. She's having let's say woman problems, and she didn't feel like getting out of the house today. So that's okay. We're gonna bring her back some fish and chips and some garlic bread. And I'm not sure what the girls are gonna order, or me, but we'll show you once we get inside. Any good movies playing?
Yeah, Thor's sister.
Thor's sister? No, that's Jane Foster. That's Thor's girlfriend.
Wait, what?
Anywho, his girlfriend in the show, remember? Oh, forget about it. You have to. Let's wait till we see the movie. So this place is pretty cool. It has the brick wall, so it's the Rock pizza place or whatever. And you see, and it's all rock and roll themed. They got, I don't know if you can see up there, but it's pretty cool places. I don't know if they have these all over the United States or just in Washington, but pretty cool place. We like to come here. Anytime we have the camera on, I'll probably have to talk because they have rock music playing in the back that's all copyrighted, so I don't have to deal with that. Okay, so what did you order, Silhouette?
Pizza.
Pizza. What did you order, Acapella?
Garlic bread.
So they were gonna order, she was gonna order calamari. That's her favorite thing she used to have here as an appetizer, and they don't have it no more. So poor baby, she just has to eat garlic bread. She don't want anything else. Maybe she'll want some pizza later. I don't know. Will you want pizza later? Oh no, she can't have none of ours though. And then Mom, we're gonna get her some fish and chips and garlic bread to go. She's drinking raspberry lemonade. She's drinking ice cold water. And I don't know what that is, but the lady just gave it to me, so I guess I'll drink it if I have to. All right, here we go. Oh, there's the garlic bread. They put it like in a little pizza. Go ahead, take some. Oh yeah. Let Silhouette have one piece so she can try it.
Oh, here you go.
I can always get you more. Oh, thank you. Look at that. You gave me the baby piece.
I mean, it'll help.
And there's my little chicken wings. And they gave me some ranch. Let's try some. Here we go. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, maybe I should sit like this. Oh my gosh, that's hot. I have no drink. Sorry. I know you're so busy with all the women standing outside and everything. But whatever you have a second, I might get another. Of course, yeah. Thank you.
That's what's more irritating is when
yeah, it's meeting time, right? All right. I feel bad for her. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. There we go. Enjoy, y'all.
Thank you. Oh, there's a pizza. Look. That is called the Rock Classic. It's just pepperonis. And that's Silhouette's favorite, and I like it too. I can't tell. We don't have like one of them other viewing things, so I can't tell if we're on or not. Hopefully you can see us. I'm gonna try the buffalo chicken wings. Well, I mean, like in their vision. Good. Here's a bigger plate, right? Yeah. Thank you. I like those wings a lot.
That. My drink.
What's wrong?
My drink. No.
Oh, she wants some refill.
Really good. I like it a lot.
Oh,
I'm gonna try some of the pizza too.
my hand is
Can I
slipping.
have another piece then?
I'll give you one.
Oh yeah.
Here you go.
Pizza's so
Oh.
sweet.
I like Parmesan cheese. Gotta use a lot since it's free while you're in the restaurant. Just kidding, but I do like it. And lots of crushed red peppers. Oh my gosh, look at all that. It's gonna be good though. Put this back over here. Silhouette's also putting on lots of cheese. Let me try the pizza. Oh, I love the, their pizza is so good here. Good, fresh out of the oven. Wow, that is so good. I love this place's pizza, it's so good. How's the garlic bread?
Good.
Good. So good. I could probably eat here every night. Huh. It's so good. Well, you can hear the background music. We may not be able to monetize this, but oh well. It's worth good food not to get paid for it. Oh, I can see if YouTube's editing tool can get rid of the background music for me. It's done really good in the past. I had a whole bunch, over a dozen videos that were non-monetized because they had music in it. And there's a setting where you can ask them to remove it, and they successfully remove the background music of every video that I asked them to. And your voice is still in there, everything else is still in there, just the background noise. They delete the song that's being copyrighted. So it's pretty cool. GoPro, stop recording.
It's still recording.
Oh, my voice isn't loud enough. Really good. We're waiting to get some more refill of Acapella's drink. We're just waiting to get waited on. As you can see on the side of us, there's like no one here. There's some people behind us though, like 5 couples. And there's a bunch of people over in the bar area. So. Oh, thank you so much.
I'm gonna pull that straw though.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
She gave us a refill and we didn't even ask for it. She just saw that it was empty. Aw, she gets a tip. That's a great waitress right there that notices things that you need before you ask for it. Time for some more chicken wings. Num num. I really like them. She said it's like buffalo, but it doesn't taste like buffalo sauce to me. It is spicy though, but not too spicy. I would say just the right amount of spicy, actually. How's your pizza, Siva? Good? Yeah, Capella's enjoying some of the pizza too. I hope I don't forget to order Mommy's fish and chips. You guys help me remember that. That's how you eat a chicken wing. Oh yeah. You can't eat all your garlic bread? Should we get another one from Mom or just give her that?
That one?
You're not gonna eat that, are you? Alright. That's your third though. So when you say you want one, you want three, you mean? We just don't know to get Mom another garlic bread, which is like a pizza. Will you guys eat this later? No? You would? Then we will order Mom more garlic bread and her fish and chips the next time the lady comes around. So we are done. We have a few crusts left over, sorry. But we got a big leftover thing here we're gonna take home with us. I gave the lady a big tip because there's so many people standing around here today not doing, excuse my language, but crap. They're not doing nothing. And that lady's working her butt off. And so I felt bad for her, so I gave her almost a 50% tip. So. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And I gave it to her in cash because when you put it on their credit card bill, they don't get paid on a credit card bill until payday. So it's always best to give them cash if you want to make sure that they get the whole tip. All right, we're gonna start heading home. We're still waiting for Mom's fish and chips. So as soon as we get that, we're gonna head out. All right, we're leaving.
Why are you gonna carry the bag?
I carry the bag because I'm carrying the camera. I only have 2 hands.
You have a tiny little thing.
The camera's not that tiny.
Yes, it is.
It's heavy though.
No, it's not.
Super heavy.
No, it's not. Look at you.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
That was like the first time I think in a long time, if ever, that we just went out with Daddy and daughters. So we're gonna go home and give Mommy all her stuff. She got it in the bag here and also that little box. So we'll see y'all later. Someone asked me to show them around my neighborhood, so I'm gonna give them a little tour around the neighborhood. I'm a big hog. See, I know all them Harley guys are jealous. There's our tiny bike. It's actually for the girls to play on, but I'm gonna give it a ride. Here we go. So here I am I'm going down the road trying to drive this thing with one hand. Woo! I can almost keep up with that car. This thing probably goes about, oh, I don't know, maybe 25, I guess. And it looks both ways. Got a big field there. Uh-oh, shoot, I missed the sidewalk. Let me get over in the street here. I think technically, in the States here, we're not allowed to ride these little bikes in the street because they're not licensed. And I'm not wearing a helmet, just wearing a soft baseball cap. So hopefully none of the popo will get me. So I might have to make a run. All right, I'll be back in a second. Okay, here we go. Woo, woo, woo. Oh my goodness. It feels kind of scary riding so fast on a little bike this small. I'm just going to try to go down to the end to the main road. That's about a mile from our house, and maybe turn around and come back through another neighborhood. RVs for sale. Oh, come want to put a pole here, I better be careful as I go around the corkscrew. Oh, couple bumps. Oh. This, look, I may look stupid on this, but it's really fun. Thank you. Going up a little bit of a hill here. There's some construction going on here. I think they're going to build some new town homes or apartments. I remember when there's nothing but forest here, so it's kind of nice they're building homes for people, but it's sad that they're trimming back the forest all the time, of course. All right, we're about a mile and a half from my home. You can see down here we have some stores down here. We have a Chevron gas station and a Mobil gas station across the street there. And then you see the temple or the steeple there in the distance. That's the Latter-day Saint temple that's near our house. Also got some apartments down there. Woo! Big hole down there. I don't want to go down that one. So I'm going to go near the street now. I need to have both hands. So I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, I am driving alongside of a main road. The speed limit here is like 55 miles an hour, so I'm just being careful. I can't film with my left hand because then I wouldn't be able to give the acceleration to the bike. But my left hand is what I need for the brake, so I'm having to use my foot to drag it to slow down. So don't do this at home, kids. It's not safe. Only if you're a crazy old person that has faith that he ain't gonna kill himself today. This is a neighborhood just on the other side of the road where they were doing the construction. It's really beautiful and well maintained here. I'll show you some of the homes. So a lot of these homes are kind of back behind the trees, but there's one right there that's really pretty. That's like a tri-level home. Beautiful house. They have a nice fenced-in backyard. Really big backyards around here. Some homes down that way too. But this backyard, oh my gosh, this person's backyard is huge. You could fit 10 of my houses in that backyard. All right, guys, use my hand just a second. All right, yeah, that truck was coming. I would have hit it if I didn't take my hand off and squeeze on the brake a little bit. So I really like this home too. It's an older home, but they have a beautiful back porch there. Well-maintained lawn. I love it. They have a fire pit. There are little statues of deer out here in their forest. So cute. And I know somewhere in the back they have like little greenhouses and a garden back there. It's really nice. All right, let's keep going. Oh man, that bump was pretty hard. This little bike does not have any sort of shock absorbers at all. It's pretty much your calf muscles if you stand up a little bit, or your butt cheeks have to absorb all the blows. So I love the nicely manicured lawns here and the little plants they have. Very pretty. Another well manicured lawn over here as well. I don't know what it is, but I just appreciate beautiful lawns. Okay, we're a little further down the street now. They got some more homes down there. Then actually we have a pretty big house over here that has a gate on it, like a like a little mini castle gate, see? Just for one house. No entry. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off and I'll see you in a bit. Howdy. So I got another Harley rider here. That's what I was telling him. I'm taking my Harley for a ride. They're cute, huh? Alright, cut across the road here. So I can get to a sidewalk and safety. Now the thing is, I'm not supposed to ride in the street really without a helmet. But then again, motorized vehicles aren't really supposed to be on the sidewalk either, I don't think. So where are you supposed to ride these things? I guess in the woods, so. But I'm gonna try to go. This is some brand new homes that they just built that are right next to our houses or across the street from our houses. And there's quite a steep hill here. I don't know if I'll be able to make it up. I might have to get up and walk the little fella up the hill. Let's see. Oh no, I guess it's not too bad. It's straining. There we go. So all these homes were built like in the last year. Oh, I'm gonna turn it off for a second. Alright, there were just some kids walking on the sidewalk. I wanted to go around them out in the street, so let me get back on the sidewalk here. But all these homes are either ramblers, like there, or you have some 2 stories. They're really beautiful homes. They probably cost around $400,000 to move in, most of them. Some of them maybe mid 300,000s, some close to 500,000. Depends on the floor plan, I think, or if you have upstairs or whatever. So yeah, all these homes weren't even here a couple years ago, and as you can see, they're flattening the land to maybe make some more on that side. They got a little tiny playground down here, and I'm gonna have to use my brake again. I'll be right back. Whoa! I'll tell you right now, that is not the best brake in the world. Alright, I'm actually gonna cut across this park grass here, because there's a little trail that goes back towards where I live at. We live in the very old tiny houses, so not these big fancy houses. That's okay. If I lived in them big fancy houses, I'd have big fancy bills to go with them, so I'm glad I don't have those. Okay, I can't hold the camera and ride. This is very bumpy. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I've kind of made it back to the land of the little houses. Oh, there's no real good trail here though, so I'll just kind of blaze one so I can get out of this little shrubbery and by that little pond where I did that rap video the one time. We call it the duck pond. Oh my goodness. The engine on this does not want to get me going. Oh, it's very bumpy. I'm gonna turn it off for a second. All right, we're back. I had to get off and push it up this really steep little hill. And now we're back to the area over at the playground area where we walk Maka every day. So that's it. That's a little tour around the neighborhood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you later. Much love. Peace.